And welcome back, everybody. It's Zero Designs here for video number 10. Congratulations to me for making it this far. See, I've determined that the only milestone you should ever care about is how much content you can produce, not anything else, views, likes, shares, or any of that. So, the milestones that I'm going to be working for in my journey, in my channel, is going to be X amount of videos, and X amount of pieces on Instagram, X amount of commissions, X amount of whatever, right? I don't care about the rest. What I care about is producing quite a bit of content that's pretty good quality. Maybe not great quality, maybe not perfect quality, but good quality for you guys. And I think on that note, let's carry out to that intro. Okay, intro should be done, and wow, 10 videos. I did not even think that this might even be something I would go into and do again. Like, I am so happy, and that's actually what this piece is about, right? If you had seen when I was writing out stuff here, instead of just paying attention to what I've been talking about, said something about, like, be happy. So I just wanted to make a happy little bee. Hell yeah, here I am. I'm writing out B. Something, I don't know. But yeah, I wanted a kind of very happy portrayal of what I was feeling at that point. And it was so excited. Oh man, and he's so excited about everything. He's always so excited, but generally, like, being happy about it. Yeah, just enjoying the fact that I got to 10 videos. And for a lot of you, that's like, what? 10 videos isn't that much. Well, let's look at some honesty here, okay? I've done quite a few more videos in my lifetime over different channels that I will probably never show you. But nonetheless, I made them. I made videos. I made content. It was great. I enjoyed it. Sometimes, not always. You know, I want to make the enjoyment, or the process about enjoyment. And these 10 videos that I've created, I'm saying I've created, I can actually tell you I'm creating more than 10, or I'm kind of made more than 10. It's one of those things. So when I sit down and make a video, right? Yeah, I'm going off topic again. He always goes off topic. Can't the man ever stay on topic? No, I can't. I'm 10 videos in. I still can't get on topic. Maybe 100 videos in. Who knows? That's next goal, right? No. Next goal. What's smaller goal? 25 videos. Okay, we're going for that. But yeah, every time I make videos, I'm like doing all of them so much in advance, or creation process, all of that. That's like, I got a little bit of this video, and I got a little portion of this, and I got, you know, I can tell you right now, I have the content for video 10, video 11, and video 12. Today is my day to speak over all those videos, right? And give you a lovely, nice voiceover conversation. And that's what I'm like, my main priority for creating the videos today is, right? If I don't get one fully done, that's okay, because I'm supposed to be scheduling video 7 today for next week. So like, it's crazy to think, like, timeline, I'm all over the place. You just see the finished product and you're like, cool or not cool. I don't know. You might not even see it at all. I mean, I guess if you're here, you're seeing it. So while you're here, you might as well leave a like, because you made it and that's awesome. So you should like it. You should like the fact you're here. If you don't like the fact you're here, you don't have to be here either. Plain and simple. Want to leave a comment? Tell me how I'm doing. Or if I'm just crazy, you can leave a comment about that too. Feel free. Write in it. You are crazy. Like, you know, C-R-A-Z. You don't even need to add anything else. Crazy with extra E's. Z-E. Like, I know I'm zero, but not Z-E. But yeah, video 10. I should hopefully have changed my Memoji. I felt like at 10 videos in, I was probably going to change the hair color. Not entirely sure if that ended up happening, but if I did, enjoy the new hair color. hairdo. You know, like I see YouTubers, they do it all the time, right? They color their hair in real life, and it's like, at least my character can change his hair color anytime I feel like it. I don't have to worry about 6 weeks in a haircut, but maybe one day. You know what? I'll say it now. 1 million subscribers, if I ever make it there. If I ever make it there, I will color my hair something other than my normal hair color, because that would be fun, and I probably wouldn't be working, so I wouldn't care what my hair color is. But while I have to work real jobs, which I'm perfectly okay with too, while I work real jobs, hair color stays the same, dark brown, just like the character. In fact, my face and everything else looks very much like the Memoji before the hair color changed. I'm showing you now. That's what my face looks like. And at some point, I might do videos where I show me. Probably, I don't know. I don't really know how I'm going to do this. I just know I'm going to be making content. I'm going to be striving to be a really good artist. And that's it. That's why. But I'm really happy. I'm 10 videos in. Like, this really feels like 10 videos. I know I'm saying 10 videos, and I've already told you, so I'm all over the place with it. But video 10, this is what I'm working on. That's the project that's, like, big for me right now. And I'm really happy about that, because that shows that, like, hey, you got 10 done. You can do more. Let's go more. So my goal for 2019, right, if we, you know, everyone likes goals, and technically I didn't do a new year blah, blah, blah thing, because I just wasn't at that point. I want to do 150 videos this year. That's a lot of videos. Let's be really honest. It's a lot. And I'm not sure how it's going to get done. I know I'm going to do it gradually and make all the content when I can. Now, we're looking at, I've done, I wouldn't say like I'm doing 150 this year, because I will count the first 3 videos that I did last year as my experiment. It's really 147 videos I need to do this year. And minus the 7 I just did, about 140 more. But I'm really happy. That's kind of my goal. That's really all I'm caring about. Not the views, not subscribers. I want all those things. Every YouTuber does. So please go ahead, if you're at this point, do it anyways. And maybe, just maybe one day, I'll actually talk about my artwork. You know, 200 videos in, maybe I'll learn how to. But yeah, see, be happy. Just like the bee. Be happy like the bee. Okay? It's like synonyms or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm really ecstatic to be looking out for this year, to be trying to make that much content, and to improve as an artist. So it's improving as an artist, improving as a content creator, and that's my main objective all year. Thank you so much for being here, if you are here. And yeah, let's actually talk about the drawing, okay? Focus. This is the part where I'm focused on the design. I probably should be focused on the design, like, you know, first 2 minutes of the video. But for right now, it's going to be the ending 2 minutes. If it is about 10 minutes. Yeah, so this is the part where I'm adding some extra color. I believe, yeah, I'm adding color at this point. Over the bee, making those nice kind of dynamic looking colors, mixtures. I don't even know the terminology half the time. I'm such a bad artist because I can't say what I'm supposed to be saying. And now this is the point where I make a lovely little sky background, okay? Clouds. See, airbrushing makes good clouds, okay? You smudge it, you do all things, blah, blah, blah. That's art techniques for you right there, okay? Airbrush looks like clouds to me. So, voila. And you guys are like, that doesn't look like cloud. Look, it's going to look like a cloud in like 5 seconds. So, cut me a break. Or don't. Don't care. Leave some feedback about the clouds. I don't really care. Just stay here. Don't stay here. Watch the rest. But I'm ending my portion of the video. And as always, it's time for me to say my goodbyes. And this is going to be the end.